I don't care about it.
And can you place a barricade there?
I don't care about.
Can I get in? Hey, can I get in?
Sure. What do you
Do I need
want?
to remove my mask?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, you have
I need
to.
to change name.
Okay. Can I see your passport and
Hey my friend, can
and
I walk in without being searched? My friend told me I can walk in without
Search,
being searched.
please,
no,
buddy.
no, 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 no,
Please,
Can
no,
I
buddy.
no,
walk in?
no, no. Oh
Why?
my
Why
God.
is that, my friend? I want to sit on the bench. Can I sit on the bench?
Say it again,
Can
thanks,
I
sir.
search you?
Yeah, sure.
But why? I want to
Please,
sit on
but
the
that-
bench, my friend.
Please, but I want to sit
Sir,
on bench.
you have to put that item back into your vehicle.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay, sir, but please let me go without searching. Please,
How can I help you,
Boriski.
sir?
I want to go
Nothing.
in and go into the ATM and rob it.
Oh yeah, you know this is one of the things that you will get arrested for just for saying that.
No, no, I'm sorry. Oh!
You can search now.
Officer, I want to
Okay,
commit
I will search you.
murder.
All right, you can change your name, sir.
Huh? What's up?
Sir,
Sir,
sir. Oh
Yeah,
my,
what's up?
can you go back outside the gate, gentlemen, please?
Not really. I want to stay here. I like this spot.
Like you have any choice just for
What?
no, just
Lol, what?
you just go behind the gate. You are not on gift.
Why? I'm
I
not
did-
bothering you, am I?
Sam Covey, I want to search this
I
vehicle.
did not even see a passport. I didn't even search you for any items.
Have a good
Take
one.
my
Is that
licenses.
it, by
That's
the
the
way?
only thing you're
Someone
getting.
pulled up a gun at the OC.
Oh yeah.
When I came to him about the
Oh,
Tyson,
Olio, it's
he
Gustav
plugged it by
over
the
here.
aliens. I want to search his
right.
car.
He's doing a gang sign. Arrest
Have a good
him.
one.
Arrest him quickly. Arrest him. He's doing a gang sign.
Just to let you know,
I've had
mate,
that great.
we ain't walking out. Just a heads up.
We're not leaving until
Yes, we ain't harming anyone. We're literally just sitting there waiting.
we're not bothering you, so you can't do nothing about it.
Yeah.
You're technically You're technically
How?
bothering him.
How?
No,
You're-
actually, hold on, no, hold on. Let me get this straight. He was talking to us, and we're sitting there not talking to him. So how are we bothering him then? in that
You're
matter?
trespassing in a state facility.
Then try and cuff us when we're sitting down. How about that?
I haven't seen any of their
Teddy, it's
passports.
literally me. It's Connor. Like, you know me.
Yeah,
Or
yeah,
Psycho, I can't remember what your
yeah,
name
yeah,
is.
yeah. Of course, but the sir next to you is. He didn't even.
He knows me. It doesn't matter. He knows me. We're friends.
Bro,
We kiss
your
each other.
haircut's so
We
shit,
fuck.
bro. Change
We
that.
fuck.
No, we do not. Arrest him, please, bro. I do not. I do not know him. He's a random person.
He does. He does. We fuck.
No, we don't. Arrest him, please. Who's this
I
guy
know
with the
Connor.
Zeg-
Nice fedora. Yeah, you ain't gonna do shit. Yeah, I don't give a fuck.
Okay, this is.
This is me.
What am I gonna do about that, fam? Like, just what?
Sir, can
Yeah,
I please get a gun license for 25k?
sure. Can you remove your mask? Oh my god. Can't work right now. It's. Hmm. Can you please stop doing that?
Stop doing what, my friend? What's up?
No, no, it's not you. It is the guy
Oh.
in the bunny mask. He's scratching his balls.
Okay.
Do, 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 do.
Okay. Mm,
I'm going to leave the sir.
mhm. Yeah.
So he has a gun. You gotta go arrest him. You gotta go arrest him. Open carrying. Go arrest him quickly. You have to go. You have to go before he escapes. Yeah, you have to go before he escapes. I'm gonna give him a ride. You have to go get him. You have to go do your job.
Mhm.
Go take him. Go take him.
Hello, sir?
We are not LSPD, so
Oh,
that's
well,
the,
he pulled a gun out of his ass. So you gotta go kill him.
yeah. if he has pointed the gun on us, then we can do something. That's he didn't. He didn't
No,
do that.
kill him.
Sorry,
I'll
it
give you
wasn't
money.
me.
Oh.
I'll give you $10 if you kill him.
Mm. Hello, sir. How can I help you?
Hello, sir. I want my gun license.
Bro, he's
Uh,
pouring champagne on you, bro. I wouldn't let that slide. I wouldn't let that slide.
Sure. Can I see your
He's making you wet.
passport and your license?
He's making you wet.
Yeah, I'm gonna show you my passport. There you go.
Mm-hmm.
My friend, he just made you wet. What are you gonna do about it? My friend, he just made you wet with champagne. What are you gonna do about it?
Can you show me your licenses?
My friend, he's making me wet. He's making me wet. Please help. He's making me wet. Please help. Help me. He make me wet. He push me. Oh my God, he go fly. Oh shit.
So you can
My
show
friend,
Kom, dat kan vragen hoe het
arrest
gaat.
him.
you can show
poured
your
champagne on my
licenses
head.
at the same
I
thing.
showed you again my passport.
My friend,
Yeah,
he's pouring
and
champagne
your
on me. My friend.
licenses.
It's
sir,
a
I
cheap
can't
stuff.
hear
It's a
you.
cheap stuff, my friend. Please.
Sir, can you cough drop, please? I can't hear you. If you are saying something to me.
I'm leaving now, my friend. Goodbye.
Pouring
My
this
friend,
cheap
my
stuff
friend,
on you.
my friend, I'm flashing my gun. What are you gonna do about it? Do something about it. Ah!
Yeah.
Your licenses. Just it's standing under same thing.
Okay.
Mhm.
So I know that I'm. It was like, oh my god.
All right, I will give you your gun. Oh my God.
Whee!
Uh,
Bro, they are trespassing just.
there you go. Oh shit, you don't have.
Oh, I don't have cash. Oh my
Yeah,
god. Oh.
I am in an. Oh my God.
Yeah. Yeah, it's so sorry. I'm so sorry for
No,
the
no problem. No.
I am embarrassed right now. Just give me 2 minutes. I'm gonna be back.
Don't do anything about me sitting here. Please don't do anything about me sitting. I'll leave. I'll leave. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please.
Sorry,
I
we
don't wanna
sorry.
If you come back again, you will be arrested. Oh, massive headache.
Yo, what's up, buddy?
How can I help you, sir?
I need to go through and change my name.
Sure.
That's
Can I see your passport and
Yep,
consent to
of course.
search you?
Yeah, go on, you can search for me. There's my passport for you.
Okay.
Sir, this is my
Okay.
vehicle. He's
Sir, I'm
trespassing.
Everything is good. You,
Practice.
you can go in, Mr. George.
Thank you, buddy.
He's taking
What the
my
fuck are you doing, mate? I'm gonna shoot you in a minute.
You do it.
Fucking
That's my.
idiot,
That's
bro.
my.
Shoot him. It's my cycle. What the hell? That guy.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
No.
That's
There you
how
go.
we get.
Don't arrest
I
him.
was
Don't
given
arrest him.
an-
Don't arrest him.
And-
I'll
and-
give
Sorry,
you
I will
some
never
shit.
do it again.
And I will grab you by the arm. I have.
Oh, bro, you cuffed him with a gun in his hand, bro. Bro, you gotta uncuff him. You're fucking up hard. You gotta go uncuff him. Bro, you cuffed him with a fucking gun in his hand, bro. You're tripping,
Mhm.
Okay. Sir.
bro. What the fuck?
Please
You
help.
cuffed him with a gun now,
Please help.
bro. You know you can get put on You know you can get
That's
put on the
my
government website. Yo, are you his high command? He just cuffed this man with a fucking gun in his hand.
If
Connor,
Yeah,
he just
he
cuffed him with a
did,
fucking
but
gun
he
in his
if
didn't
hand.
I
say to
uncuff him,
Shut the
he,
fuck up!
if I uncuff him, he will running away. What do you
Bro,
want to
I
tell
you
will
me?
cuffed him.
I will
You-
leave forever.
Wait,
I will
wait,
not come back.
you-
And I'll.
You cuffed him with a gun in his hand.
Well, sir, I will going to uncuff you next time if you're coming back.
Oh, wait, just don't uncuff him yet. Don't uncuff him yet.
Okay, I will
wait a
never
second.
come back.
No,
I won't come
Wait.
back.
There you go. But
I won't come back. I won't come back.
Bro, but by the way, we're putting you on the government website for that. You know.
No, we are not.
What?
Know what
I'm
I'm
not gonna come
he,
back.
It's okay.
he was
it's
in
okay,
danger
it's okay.
for us. He was
Ah,
open
it's
carry a
okay,
gun.
sir.
I'm
Why
putting you on the
Sir,
government
just
website.
All right. Go
I
on.
said, don't worry. It's failure to comply. $25,000. 3-star wanted level.
It's fine. You'll be on the government website.
Okay, go, bro. I am also.
Bro,
an
shut
SH.
the
I
fuck
also-
up! No, I'm speaking to you, you dumb bitch! Bro.
That's disrespecting. Oh my god. Employee.
I have-
That's also true.
I have
It's in total 5-star.
I have everything on my body cam also. That
Yeah,
thi-
it's
that
okay.
this guy was trespassing with a gun 5 times.
And
So
he stole my vehicle. It's 5-star, 45,000. I also know.
yeah, but we if I was LSPD, he was being arrested. But
Shit
you
bike.
know,
So
he was.
Shit bike. You no leave. Nah ha 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 ha.
bro. Move.
Can I sit here, please? Wait. Let me go inside, you monkey. Let me go inside.
Oh my god.
Wait, are you a
What is
psycho man?
this?
Are you a
Excuse me,
psycho man?
What
how
is
much
this?
do you gun licenses?
Yeah, look. He cuffed a man with his fucking gun out. Alright?
So
I have no
He
gun.
had his gun?
I had no gun into
He
my
had a
hand.
fucking gun in his hand, bro. The man you cuffed had a fucking gun in his hand.
5 times.
You're tripping balls.
5 times.
Okay,
Trespassing
and
with a
it doesn't
shotgun.
matter.
so
It doesn't matter. He had a gun in his hand. You can't just fucking run up to him and cuff him.
Bruh,
Just-
the
Please.
rules
What do you expect
bro, just leave
that we
your
do at that moment? What do you expect?
Sir.
Tase
sir,
him.
sir,
Fucking tase him.
Tasing.
Sir.
I have tased him first. You haven't seen
Bruh.
that maybe, but
sir,
I
the
am.
rule
Bro,
clearly
you
states
Bro,
that
he was
one-
running and you cuffed him with a gun in his hand. Bro, the fuck?
Yeah,
I
yeah,
am-
Tripping sucks.
I am following.
Sir.
I am following the protocols. That's all what
The
I'm
protocol,
doing.
you're not allowed to cuff someone when he has a gun out.
Bruh, you are not allowed to cuff someone when you have a gun out. It
Bro,
does not
yeah.
matter
Yes.
if he has
It
his
is
gun out.
called
You guys are so
power-
fucked. You're getting put on government website.
Oh,
Just go on.
No
go
one's
on.
fucking speak to you. Shut the fuck up.
Just go
I will
on. I don't
Daddy,
care.
please tell me you have body cam. Please tell me.
I
Sure.
will shut the
I
fuck
have.
up.
I have.
Can
I
you
had
just
body
arrest
cam
him for trespass-
from
just
from
arrest
all
him
of
for
this.
trespassing and failure to comply.
Thank God. Yeah, just pray to God and put it on the.
Because,
put it on the protocol.
That guy was
Yeah.
trespassing 5 times with a shotgun in his
Yeah.
hand.
Yep.
Does
Sir,
that
can you-
not give me the right to arrest
It
them
does.
5
It
times?
does. It
I'm,
does.
I'm
I don't
so
think
sorry,
so.
sir. I just
That-
came in.
I'm in the wrong
And
here.
my apologies, sir. My apologies, sir. I just came in, but that guy was so irritating. I
Bro,
also know the rules.
Hello.
do you guys take showers? But because I don't take showers. Do you think I should take showers or not? Okay, I guess that's no.
Yo, tell her mama.
Because you guys fucking smell!
I'm so sorry that I just came in.
Yeah.
Okay, my apologies for that.
No worries,
But he
no
stole my
worries.
cycle.
Mm.
He stole my. If he just uploads, you can arrest him for failure to comply, trespassing.
That's also
Yeah.
what I was planning to do. I
Yeah,
had
you can.
I had no gun
have the-
into my hand, so from my side, I
he-
didn't do anything.
I'm
So-
sorry, OOC talking right now, sir. He was a kid. He was really a kid. OOC. I know this is so irritating. I have also been in many legal organizations. Some guys are so irritating. Like SAHP, there is insurance. That's
Mm-hmm.
Have a good day, sir. I'm
You
just
too.
gonna come in 2 minutes. I want license. Galas.
Okay, no problem.
Teddy OC speaking, just upload that on the forums.
Mm, yeah.
He was abusing so much. Oh yeah, just put that on
He
the
has
forum.
he has trespassed 5 times with a circumcised shotgun in his hand.
Yeah, yeah, I saw that.
So if I have to believe that guy, I just have to let him in and kill everyone in this capital.
Yeah,
Well, because I did not give that guy the chance to do it, he will put me on the forums. I mean,
yeah,
if I let
From
those
1017 to SHP.
if I let those people through,
HQ with one SHP officer.
then I'm not doing my job here. So
yep, yep. Basic. So like you did the correct thing. It is not allowed to cuff someone if you have your gun, like you if you have a gun in your hand. But if he has his gun, it does not matter.
mhm.
Matthew, do you guys see more people in G base?
Apparently they're not getting raided anymore, so I'm leaving the base.
10
I am
See.
I'm gonna
I
go
am
see.
going 10-9
I'm
for
heading to invite back.
set
Come to
that
SHP.
body
I will
cam
give
on
you a ride
the
in the heli
uh,
to capital if you need.
Right, I'm in the
government
car.
service. All right.
10-4. Life safe.
No.